Hey, we are short-handed on our house cleaning side, and this is a commercial client that we do weekly. So the wife and I are actually taking care of it today because we definitely could use some extra help. So if you're watching this and you are in our area and know somebody that could use some work, we would love to hear from them. So I'm pre-sweeping the floors here best I can one-handed while I'm videoing. There's some areas that are going to be fun to get because there's things like a forklift in the way. And other miscellaneous things that we can't move. Sorry for the darkness here, but I don't have all the lights on. So I've already gone through a lot of the aisles, so I'm just getting a lot of the main stuff here in the back. Whoa, just noticed it went out of focus big time. Main stuff getting into the pile. So the wife and I are enjoying a nice little date night out cleaning this business. Spoiled ourselves with some drive-through at Taco Bell, you know. So
keeping the romance alive.
I had to put the CEO to work today. So we do this place weekly. Dust it, mop it, vacuum the floors. It's an ag place, so you know there's plenty of dirt for us every week. So I dry mopped it, and now I'm kind of wet mopping the floors here. And she's been going around basically sanitizing all the shelves, just kind of wiping everything down where, you know, things would be commonly touched. There's one bathroom and a small office that we do. So, yeah. Two. Oh, my mistake. This is the first time I've had to clean it myself. But we do it every week for them. One of our commercial clients that are regulars. So we come in normally on a Saturday, but we had such a busy week that we would have been basically having our crew work 7 days this week if we didn't, come in and do it ourselves. So it's actually a Sunday evening, as you can tell, cars going by. And we were going to have somebody help us, but unfortunately they couldn't. And so we decided to have a date night and clean together. Because that's how we roll. Right, honey?
Oh, yeah.
So, things you got to do to keep the business alive and the romance alive. So, this I kind of need both my hands for because I'm going back and forth. I'm not stepping on it, so I actually have to go back over this because I didn't get my walk path here. But, I just wanted to do this little video of one of our jobs that we commonly do that you guys would never see because obviously I'm never on these jobs because our house clean crew is out there doing a great job taking care of these. But like I said, we had such a busy week. We're trying to take care of this weekly, and then we also have a school that we've been taking care of because their janitor is out currently, and that's every weekday. So this is normally done on Saturdays, but we're taking care of it today, so that way we don't have to have our crew working so much. We don't want them to get burnt out, of course. So I'm gonna get back to work before the CEO gets mad. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright, so I know I talked like the video was over, but I still had to vacuum this carpet. This carpet needs to be professionally cleaned realistically, but there's some areas where it's questionable as far as needing replacement too. See this pathway where stuff used to be. This carpet could definitely use more than just a vacuum, but I'm not sure they're wanting to do that quite yet. Not really a whole lot of anything over here on the carpet, so this gets done weekly by us. I don't know if they do any in between maintenance stuff. Use the vacuum thing to pull that up. Oop. It's about time I change plug-ins. I'm about to run out. Alright everybody, so date night is over. We're done cleaning that place. Just got back to our place here. So I just got to load the van, get rid of the dirty towels, and get them set up for tomorrow. I believe we have a job or two for them. So my mom came and watched our kids while we took care of that, thankfully, so we can keep this job up to par. But yeah, so I appreciate you guys watching. This was the kind of a last second thing to film some of the cleaning of us doing. Sorry, it's dark. I should have flipped the switch on. I'm doing some cleaning at a commercial job. Like I said, we don't normally show footage of that just because I'm out doing carpet jobs while they're taking care of those houses. We have two awesome ladies that take care of stuff for us. Very grateful for them. And so we're working on getting a couple more. At one time we used to have 6, but when COVID hit, it really took a hit on us. And oops, these have some dirty pads in here that I used on the floors. So we have a little spot here that we put our cotton, and then next one over we'll do microfibers that were used. And then the rest is just trash, so that can go out in the trash. So thank you guys so much for watching. Oop, it's our outdoor kitty. I appreciate your time. We'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys.